my name is Sebastian Haas and my partner is Crystal Williams, and we did self-esteem and academic success. The background section. Self-esteem is an important factor in students' academic success. Studies have found a correlation between self-esteem and academic achievement. Although research has found a correlation between self-esteem and academic achievement, most studies focus on Pakistani, Israeli, Lebanese, and Caucasian students. There are currently 19.9 million students attending American colleges. The current study was conducted to further explore the relationship between self-esteem and academic achievement among American college students with diverse backgrounds. Alright, the hypothesis. There would be a positive correlation between the levels of self-esteem and GPA. The independent variable is self-esteem, and the dependent variable is academic achievement, also known as GPA. In the methods section, the survey study is used to investigate if there is a relationship between self-esteem and academic success. The survey research question will be collected from each group in Human Service 460 class, and the data will be collected from each student currently attending the class. The variables were tested by using Rosenberg self-esteem scale. The Pearson product moment correlation coefficient was computed to assess the relationship between self-esteem and grade point average. As you could tell from this graph, you could see that there's a high percentage of Hispanic Latinos. On the left, we have a histogram for the independent variable, self-esteem. This graph shows the frequency of participant response to the question, quote, I feel that I am a person of worth, at least on an equal plane as others, end quote. The response were recorded on a Likert scale. 1 means strongly agree, while 5 means strongly disagree. Based on this graph, you'll see that most participants answered strongly agree, meaning that these people scored high on self-esteem. On the right, we have a histogram for the dependent variable CSUDH grade point average. This graph shows us the mean grade point average for the sample population. And according to this, the mean grade point average was 3.29. So the right in between 3.0 and 3.5. This is a scatter plot for dependent variable, which is measured by what is your GPA at CSUDH, and the independent variable, which is self-esteem, which is measured by I feel that I am a person of worth, at least on an equal plane with others.
Hello, my name is Crystal Williams. Using a correlation test, it was revealed that there were a non-sufficient correlation between the independent variables, self-esteem, and the dependent variables, academic success, Cal State Dominguez Hills, GPA, comma, and equals 29. Degrees of freedom, and minus 2 equals 27, comma, P equals dot 063, period. The strength of the correlation is R equals negative 0.349, which is a weak indicator of the relationship. As a self-esteem increase, the academic achievement, Cal State Dominguez Hills, GPA, will show non-sufficient change. Our research question states, what is the relationship between the GPA and self-esteem? A correlation test revealed that there is a non-sufficient relationship. R equals negative 0.349, comma, P equals 0.063 between GPA and self-esteem. Our research found a non-significant correlation between self-esteem and academic achievement. Our finding did not suggest that previous research was wrong. Rather, it implies that further research is needed to assess the relationship between self-esteem and academic achievement among Cal State Dominguez Hills students. The results of the study can only be applied to the sample population of Human Services 460 students. This means that the relationship between self-esteem and academic achievement is a topic that still needs to be studied, especially among ethnically diverse college students: Hispanic, Asian, African American, whites, and mixed. Strengths. One of the strengths in our study was that our sample population was ethnically diverse. For example, in our study we have 4 African American, 1 Asian American, 20 Latinos American, 2 whites American, and 3 ethnically mixed students. Strengths. Another strength in our study was that our sample population included a wide range of ages. Participant age ranged from 21 years to 100 years old. Limitation. Our sample size was narrow and small. Our sample size consists of only 31 students. The limitation. Most of our participants were female students. N equals 28. Only a few male students. N equals 3. A non-significant correlation between self-esteem and academic success was found. R equals negative 0.35, comma, P equals 0.06. The strength of our correlation is a weak indicator of the relationship. As a self-esteem increased, the academic achievement would show no significant change. Our results contradicted previous research. Our research determined a need for more research in the topic of our self-esteem and GPA among ethnically diverse students. It is recommended that in future study, a sample size will be increased and random sampling techniques be used to obtain more generalizable resource. In the future, university can complement classes that focus on increasing self-esteem through activities, implement a elective class that contain activities that boost self-esteem for a freshman student.
And this concludes our presentation for self-esteem and academic success. Thank you.